Excuse me, garçon. Hello there, guys.
Hello there.
Welcome to another video. I hope you are well. I hope you had a great week or great day by the time you've seen this. And in today's video, we're going for a big one, Reeses Cheesecake. Yeah, the other day on the grocery shopping, I saw this one and I thought of myself, yeah, this is easy. I have to do a review or a challenge, or I don't know, I have to do something. And yeah, and today we're gonna do this review and challenge and try as a challenge as well. Try to eat and try cheesecake. Reese's peanut butter cheesecake. Here it is. See, it says over there peanut butter cups with cheesecake. This is 425 grams, so it's quite big. And let's not waste any more time and unbox this and see how it is. Nah. Oh, come on. Oh, there we tape. Sorry, guys. Try not to destroy the box. Oh, look at that. Stay here. This is how it looks like the top. Oh, okay. So it looks like. It's on the side. Ooh, you see the base, the top, and here again. Don't forget. Ooh. Plate, knife, and fork. Okay. Let's try to not waste. Uh-oh. It's all about balance. Shit. Look at that. Oh, this looks good and promising. I want to take the bottom without. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, must be a bit of technical difficulties. Ooh. Okay, yeah, anyway. Never mind. I'll wash my hands. So here we go. Here it is, guys. Reese's peanut butter cheesecake. Let's not waste any more time and do this. I'm gonna try to finish this in one sitting. I'm gonna just cut in half just to see what it looks like inside. Oh, I can smell it. Look at that. Cheers, guys. Oh. Okay. The top is easy. It's chocolate. Melted chocolate. The middle is cheesecake with peanut butter, obviously. And the bottom is like that chocolate cookie. Yeah, it is chocolate cookie, but it's a bit too dark. It's not dark chocolate, but it's chocolate cookie. And about the middle part, you can it's kind of 50-50 in terms of cheese and peanut butter. I have to say, score on this. A 9. This will be a 9. Over there. A big 9. A big fat 9. Oh, this is good. It's quite easy to eat. It's not very, it don't make you feel sick. Or it's not too sweet. Wow, you see? It's halfway there already. Guys, you have to try this. Calories on this. Over here, I would have put the entire cheesecake, the calories, but for 100 grams is 396. So for a cheesecake, it's not that, is not a lot. It's below 400, especially with peanut butter, because peanut butter we know is quite dense in calories. Oh wow. It is very, very good. Whew. So yeah guys, if you're gonna find this on your local grocery shopping, try. This is a must. It's quite easy to eat. It's almost done. And there you go. It was quick. Much quicker than I expected. Well done, Reeses. Well done. For cheesecake, we all know the Reeses is the big brand of peanut butter. And this, he won again. Guys, thanks again for watching the video. And thanks again for your support. Hope you keep having a great day. But I don't know what time you're watching this. Thanks for your support. Please leave a like. Comment below what you want to see next. And also don't forget to subscribe. Guys, cheers and see you next time.